when I was a little girl, I only went to the dentist once. As I grew up and watched my parents lose all their teeth and everything, I did not want to go through that. And in my 30s, I got braces. As time went on and I was having problems with my teeth, I didn't want to look old and I didn't want to have bad teeth. That was my thing as I grew up, that I wanted to have nice, beautiful teeth. My sister met Dr. Foust first. She needed implants, and I let her be the guinea pig. So I let her come, and then I came. And as I was just getting normal routine things done, I kept telling him about I didn't want to keep coming back in my teeth, and I wanted to have beautiful teeth. So he suggested the full arch.
So Vicky came to me with a problem. She was looking for a change. She was looking for some increased confidence. She had a kind of a worn situation with her teeth. So we started by opening up her bite using temporary crowns and bridges. And then once that bite was established and the muscles were able to adapt, then we go into the phase where we put the new crowns in. The turnaround in her smile and her confidence with her smile was absolutely awesome right out of the gate. She was so super happy with the process. At the end of the day, she looks amazing.
When everything's done and you come in and they put them all in, I couldn't believe these were like mine. This was me. I couldn't believe this was me. I waited so long to have nice teeth. And I know it sounds corny, but ever since I was a little girl, that's, I wanted to have, and I got my wish, so.